Hi there. Today I'm going to be making chicken biryani in a fast. Let's get to it. Let's see what we need. So these are the ingredients I need. I have 4 chicken thighs here, and I have some shallots, cilantro, and I have a little bit coconut milk here, and I have cucumber and tomatoes. That's for the salad that I will be eating the biryani with. And I have curry leaves, peppercorn, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, and 4 Thai chilies. And I have some salt, chili, black pepper, apple cider vinegar, and I have 2 cups of basmati rice here, washed and clean. You don't need to soak it. I just washed it, and it's drying. And I have turmeric, my curry powder, fenugreek, mustard, cardamom, cloves, and salt. I'll be using these as needed. I have cinnamon here. I have saffron, raisins, cashews, and ghee. I will be using the chicken broth today to make this biryani. Very easy to make. And I have some ghee, and so let's get cooking. First, we are going to be marinating the chicken. So I will be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of my curry powder, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves. Let's marinate this. Okay, so let's get cooking. So I'm going to add some coconut oil. I'm going to be cooking with coconut oil, about 2 teaspoons here. I'm going to add my cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of mustard. Then add some shallots. Some garlic, ginger, peppercorn, curry leaf, I'm going to add the chili powder. Now, I'm going to add chicken. Mix well. Keep stirring. On high heat. Cook on high heat till it fry a little bit the chicken. Until it's golden brown. I'm going to add a little bit cilantro, not the whole thing, just a little bit. Okay, so now this is perfect. Now I'm going to add the chicken broth. gonna cover and cook. So I'm gonna put some coconut oil. I'm gonna fry my shallots. This is for the garnish. The garlic, and a little bit salt and some black pepper. Fry it till golden brown. So it looks like it is done. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to use the same pan to fry my cashews and my raisins, because this oil has all the flavor. So now I'm going to put my cashews. Now I am going to add a little bit ghee to this same pan right here. Because I'm going to fry the rice. Fry till light brown on medium to high heat. That depends on your stove. I have it on the medium heat, or you can put it on high heat if you want. But I just want it to fry a little bit till golden brown or light brown, whatever you prefer. So this is ready. I'm gonna turn it off and leave it in there. I'm gonna add to my chicken once the chicken is fully cooked. As you can see, it's light brown. The aroma from this is really nice. So I'm gonna turn it off and leave it. So almost cooked, but it's not quite there yet. So it looks like the chicken is fully cooked. I'm going to add the rice. And I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth, but if I need more, I will be adding more chicken broth later. So right now only 1 cup. And I'm gonna cover and cook on medium to low heat if you want. Yeah, maybe low heat. I'm gonna make a cucumber salad. I have some shallots here, thinly sliced, and some black pepper, some salt, some green chilies, and I have cucumbers and tomatoes here, thinly sliced. has some lime juice. I think that will be enough. This is delicious. And I'm going to add a little bit coconut milk. Look at that. I'm going to add a little bit cilantro onto this one. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, looks like it needs more chicken broth. I'm gonna add 1 more cup. Add the saffron and let it cook. Cover and let it cook on medium heat. So the rice is fully cooked. Look at that. So this is actually fully cooked now. I'm gonna garnish. This is ready to eat now. So let's eat. Look at this. So let's eat.